In the world of superfoods, few seeds have garnered as much attention as chia seeds and flax seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are often praised for their health benefits and their versatility in the kitchen. But which one truly deserves the title of the real superfood? Let's dive into a comprehensive comparison of chia seeds versus flax seeds, exploring their nutritional profiles, potential health benefits, and how to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Nutritional comparison. Let's start with a side-by-side look at the nutritional content of both seeds. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are excellent sources of many essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, healthy fats, and various vitamins and minerals. However, there are some subtle differences. Chia seeds tend to be slightly higher in protein, fiber, and certain minerals like calcium, while flax seeds usually have more polyunsaturated fat and are a better source of lignans. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Showdown. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies cannot produce on their own, making them crucial for overall health. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are rich in these healthy fats, but they differ in the type and quantity. Chia seeds contain a higher amount of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that can be converted by the body into other active forms. On the other hand, flax seeds are known for their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, also a type of omega-3 fatty acid. While both types are beneficial, studies suggest that the body may use ALA from chia seeds more efficiently due to its already high levels of enzymes needed for conversion. 3. Fiber content and digestive health. Fiber plays a vital role in maintaining good digestive health and preventing issues like constipation, bloating, and diverticulitis. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are fantastic sources of this essential nutrient. Each tablespoon provides about 2 grams of fiber. The type of fiber found in both seeds, insoluble and soluble fiber, aids in regular bowel movements and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help manage weight and blood sugar levels. Additionally, the healthy fats present in these seeds further support digestive health by lubricating the gut and preventing excessive stomach acid. 4. Protein power for energy and muscles. Protein is a fundamental nutrient for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and providing energy. Although not as protein-packed as some other foods, both chia seeds and flax seeds offer a decent amount per serving. A study found that eating protein-rich foods like these seeds can improve exercise performance and recovery. The protein in these seeds also contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This is particularly important for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their protein needs through plant-based sources. Including either seed in smoothies or meals can help boost protein intake, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass, boosting metabolism, and supporting a strong immune system. 5. Benefits for heart health. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are packed with heart-healthy nutrients that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. The fiber content is crucial here as it helps reduce total and LDL cholesterol levels by limiting cholesterol absorption in the gut and promoting its elimination. The healthy fats in these seeds, especially the omega-3 fatty acids, also play a role in maintaining heart health. They help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and increase good cholesterol. Additionally, both seeds contain antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, further reducing the risk of heart disease. 6. Weight loss support. Incorporating either chia seeds or flax seeds into your weight loss diet can be very beneficial. Both seeds have a low calorie density, meaning they provide fewer calories per gram compared to many other foods, helping you feel full for fewer calories. This can naturally lead to reduced calorie intake and aid in weight loss. The high fiber content of both seeds is particularly helpful in weight management. Fiber adds bulk to the diet without excessive calories and helps regulate bowel movements, promoting a feeling of fullness and potentially reducing overeating. 7. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Antioxidants are substances that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can contribute to various diseases. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are rich in antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. These antioxidants, such as phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and vitamin E, help neutralize free radicals, reducing their harmful effects on cells. By incorporating either of these seeds into your diet, you can boost your antioxidant intake and support overall health. The anti-inflammatory properties of both seeds are also noteworthy. The omega-3 fatty acids and fiber content help reduce inflammation, which is linked to many chronic diseases. 8. Easy ways to add them to your diet. Chia seeds and flax seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to various dishes, making it simple to reap their health benefits. Chia seeds can be soaked overnight to make chia pudding, mixed into smoothies, or used as an egg substitute in recipes. Flax seeds, on the other hand, are often ground into flaxseed meal or flaxseed oil to make it easier to consume. Ground flaxseed can be added to smoothies, yogurts, or baked goods, while flaxseed oil can be used in salad dressings or drizzled over dishes. Whether you choose chia seeds or flax seeds, incorporating either one into your daily meals can significantly enhance your nutrient intake and contribute to better health. 9. Possible side effects. While chia seeds and flax seeds are generally safe for most people, there are a few possible side effects and considerations. First, chia seeds have a high concentration of oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. It is important to note that the oxalate levels in chia seeds are lower than in many other plant-based foods, and most people can consume them without any problems. However, if you have a history of kidney stones, it's best to monitor your intake. Additionally, chia seeds can interact with certain medications, including those for thyroid disorders and blood thinners. If you are taking any medications, consult with your healthcare provider before adding chia seeds to your diet. Flax seeds, on the other hand, may cause digestive discomfort in some people due to their high fiber content. To mitigate this, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. Flaxseed oil can also interact with blood thinners, so caution is advised if you are on such medication. As with any supplement or significant dietary change, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns. 10. Who should avoid? For most people, chia seeds and flax seeds are safe and nutritious additions to the diet. However, there are a few groups who should exercise caution or avoid these seeds. Individuals with a history of kidney stones, particularly those prone to oxalates or cysteine stones, should limit their intake of chia seeds due to their high oxalate content. As mentioned earlier, chia seeds contain phytate, which can interfere with the absorption of minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium. People with a diagnosed phytic acid sensitivity should consider avoiding chia seeds. While flax seeds are generally well tolerated, those with a diagnosed allergy to flax or any member of the Linaceae family should obviously avoid them. Additionally, flaxseed oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can thin the blood. So individuals taking blood-thinning medications should consult with their doctor before consuming flaxseed oil. Always prioritize your individual health needs and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any doubts or concerns regarding the consumption of chia seeds or flax seeds. Final verdict: which seed is the real superfood? So the big question, which seed truly reigns supreme as the superfood? Well, the answer might surprise you. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses, each with its unique set of benefits. Rather than crowning one as the ultimate superfood, it's more accurate to say that both seeds deserve that title. They are packed with essential nutrients, from omega-3 fatty acids and fiber to antioxidants and plant-based protein. Ultimately, the best superfood is the one that fits best into your diet and lifestyle. So whether you prefer the mild flavor and creamy texture of chia seeds or the nutty taste and versatility of flax seeds, incorporating both into your meals can provide a wide range of health benefits. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and share for more informative content about health and nutrition. Stay healthy and make informed choices for a better you.